What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, you see what we are dealing with today, man. We got none other than, well, he's no stranger to this channel. We've been listening to a lot more of his music lately. You feel me? The last one we reacted to was Blicky, and that was dope. That's been a while though, you know what I'm saying? But that was a dope track. Really enjoyed it. But TMan dropped this like a couple of days ago. He dropped a new track entitled MADDAWG. I'm going to check it out. This was actually requested by one of our Dan Mafia member. I do apologize if I forgot to give you a shout out. Forgot your name. Couldn't find your screenshots, so I apologize. But yeah, man, TMan dropped a new song entitled MADDAWG a couple of days ago. And yeah, we're going to check it out and see what dog I deal with. You see me, TMan, very dope artist, bro. He's part of the 9, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to mess it up. Either 9 or 8, you know what I'm saying? And correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, gang, but he's a really dope artist. I'm gonna check out this song MADDAWG and see what my deal with it. You see me? So when I go with 5 more songs, let's jump right in this TMan MADDAWG. Let's get it. Camera kid. Hey man, MADDAWG. You see, dog, look on the ends with the thugs them outside. Yo, TMan body no dog. Don't be sleep, come on.
Ugh, Justin? I hate Justin.
My dog catch your pussy, put him on him, he's busting out the head while the rifle speaking Portuguese. Should I think twice before you even start with trouble with the darkest life you have to live it on no comedy.
Boy, man say, yo, dog, MADDAWG catch your pussy, put him on knees and bust out him head. TMan, why you start off thing like that, bro? Damn!
Should I think twice before you even start with trouble with the darkest life you have to live it on no comedy. Stop throw shade like you feel it I go bother me. 15 bad burn your face like a heartbeat. I no medalist but them running like athlete. 7.6 to a stop boy heartbeat.
Cool, man, stop throw shade like you feel it I go bother me, my youth. 7.6 to stop boy heartbeat. You see me? We ain't about a lippy, you see me?
Medalist but them running like athlete. 7.6 to a stop boy heartbeat. Couple killers in a unmarks here. 15 a shout and the 16 a echo. Can't get away when the guns them lego. Anyway you run near the con them follow.
Man say, yo, be killers in a unmarked Axio 16 meter and 16 echo. Come on.
19 and the tips them hollow head spin like wheel and a push like barrow. Senseless joy me no know about sorrow. Kill and collect and forget that tomorrow. Ling Zuti and Crawler, click click Ling Bolo and Nola. Die 4 gun man the show by a door.
Yo, it a spin like wheel and body get pushed like barrow, brother. Up to you, man. Eh? Like you dip on blow construction site, boy. You dead? Come on.
Ling Bolo and Nola. Die 4 gun man the show by a doorknob. You better ready for the action. How I'ma talk about action, I mean the pump action. All the killers them ready for go bust gun. We no new to the killing, we are
you better ready for action, bro. I'm say action, a pump action, man. Boy. You see me, the killer ready for a bust gun. You see me, crack skull, broke bone. I'm to you, better blood run.
Some outside long time, them man now come. Yeah, we knock it on the ups from how long? The whole tongue at the 6-9 playground. See them active, them bases are ghost.
Man say knock it on the up for a whole long, whole last town at 6-9 playground. On to them, bro. Hey, come on, don't play
pass twice, how nobody feel me shoot down. Feeling while our next base me have to roll pun. Yeah, we moving like shutters in a Kingston. We don't take ghost dog, we no fear man. Everything.
Roll bad like shutters in a Kingston. I'm to you, man. Big up to my Trini family. You see me, big up my Caribbean family, man. You see me, one love, one link. Come on, let's get it.
There's flout at the ingram. Body drop on the cold ground. Mother ball, oh gosh, them a 2 son. So the 9 do the crime, them gruesome. Ambush and we gone with your whole gang.
So he's a 9. The man say, I saw the 9 then do the crime gruesome. So he's a 9. I'm right. Alright, gang. You see, I know my shit now. You feel me? Sometimes I just don't want to be offending people, so I gotta make sure. You feel me? Let's go.
Last thing them have see a 9 gun man. First time me I go hear 12 dead man. Say we better than the ISIS Taliban. One land a boom land fully be man.
That's bad. You ain't say no better than ISIS Taliban, bro. The man better than the ISIS and Taliban's come together, bro. You know, America hate the ISIS, I hate the Taliban's, bro. I hate, but I hate two of them. Nah, man, come here, badness turn up, man.
Make her feel like go all the day, man. Anytime they done vex, you go spare, man. Quick, we do the data, we not take long. Hilltop badness, boss big
Hilltop.
guns. You fire march out with the pan drum.
Hilltop badness, man. I'm telling you, man, you know about that team, man. Big up yourself.
Enemies evacuate when we jump out. Yeah, me pressing up the trigger till it conk out. In front of the place where your body get jack up.
You don't take long thing. And when I had the see man, I that dangerous, and when I had the see man, I will have the see boy.
Thank you
Due
very
respect.
Man, I don't play with the 9 no boy. You feel me? Don't play with the 9 no boy. I want your T-man, don't play with T-man no boy. Hey, T-man one of the artists right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, man.
A dog catch your pussy, put him on the knees, busting out her head while the rifle speaking Portuguese. Should I think twice before you even start with trouble with the darkest life you have to live it on no comedy. Stop throw shade like you feel it, I go bother me. 15 bad, burn your face like a heartbeat. I no medalist, but them running like athletes.
I'm gonna run like hotly on this blood cleat, bro. Yeah.
7.6 to a stop boy heartbeat.
Yes. Try T-man pound him. My dogs. I'm TMan. Now they nip on the ends, bro. Yo, this shit crazy. This looks like the apartment complex where K-Man was on the live with TBKD. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, camera kid, big up yourself. That bad. This bad. Yeah, man. This bad. Shout out to T-Man. Shout out to Camera Kid. It's a dope ass track, man. That's a vibe, man. What y'all think about that one, gang? I think they went in. You feel me? I think they went in. I think they did their thing. I think T-Man did his thing, bro. Mad Dog, the beat. Hey, like I said, didn't I was there? I said T-Man was like the few like dancehall artists, like few DJs. It's the most artists out there Trinidad is sing J's. You feel me? I think T-Man, Boy, and I forgot like two other artists. I forgot two other artists I would consider DJ. Most artists are treated as a sing J. You see what I say? But yeah, man. Big up T-Man. You see me that one in Mad Dog, real dope chat. Big up Karen Kid for shooting that one. Big up Wola Blow, Trinidad. You see me I say? Big up the 9 them. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Big up everybody, man. Yeah, man. The real dope track. Enjoy that one. I can see myself listening to that one. You see me? T-Man doing his thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. T-Man doing his thing, bro. I'm looking forward to that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. T-Man are doing. I'm looking for more music from T-Man. Go check it out. Definitely drop a comments. What videos from T-Man I should watch, bro? So far, I've been enjoying all the songs that I've listened to. So drop more, man. And we keep it going, man. You know what I'm saying? And definitely let me know what you think. And what's your favorite part of the song? If you like to show that some love and support. Let me know say Jambisco dance anyway. You see me? You know say Dan Mafia strong and we're growing over here. Also, gang, I did fix a link to the Discord in the description. So check out the description and join the Discord. You can talk to me directly on Discord. Send me videos. We can link up, chop it up. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Shout out to you personally, and Era personally, all that good stuff. So link up on Discord. Don't know. I did fix the link in the description. Check it out right now, gang. I don't know. And yeah, till next time, gang. It's your boy Jambisco back with a hit and a smash banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.